In biology, animals that reproduce once and then die are called semelparous. This strategy is often a trade-off, where the parent puts every last drop of energy into ensuring their offspring survive, even at the cost of their own life. Here are 10 animals that gives birth and die. 1. Giant Pacific octopus. The fact: after laying up to 100,000 eggs, the mother stops eating. She spends months blowing oxygenated water over the eggs and protecting them from predators. By the time they hatch, she has starved to death too. Pacific salmon. The fact: these fish swim hundreds of miles upstream from the ocean to fresh water to spawn. The journey is so taxing and the hormonal changes so intense that their organs fail shortly after they lay or fertilize eggs. 3. Laborde's chameleon. The fact: found in Madagascar, this reptile lives for only 4 to 5 months. The entire adult population dies every year after the breeding season, leaving only the eggs to hatch and restart the cycle the following year. 4. Praying mantis. The fact: while not every male dies, many are famously cannibalized by the female during or after mating. The female uses the male's nutrients to produce a healthy deca egg case, before she also dies when winter arrives. 5. Mayfly. The fact: as adults, mayflies don't even have mouths or stomachs because they don't need to eat. They live only for a few hours or days, just long enough to mate and drop eggs into the water before falling dead. 6. Brown antechinus. The fact: this small Australian marsupial is famous for its suicidal mating season. Males mate for up to 14 hours at a time until their immune systems collapse from stress, and they die. Females usually die after weaning their first litter. 7. Black widow spider. The fact: similar to the mantis, the male often sacrifices himself to the female during mating. This copulatory suicide provides her with the energy needed to produce a strong egg sac. 8. Humboldt squid. The fact: these red devils grow incredibly fast, reaching 5 feet in just 1 year. They spawn once, releasing millions of eggs, and then die immediately after from complete physical exhaustion. 9. American eel. The fact: these eels live for decades in fresh water, but once they migrate to the Sargasso Sea to reproduce, they stop eating and use all their energy for the journey. They die shortly after spawning. 10. Brazilian slender opossum. The fact: these tiny opossums are one of the few mammals that show complete semelparity after a single intense breeding season. The physical toll is so high that the adults rarely survive to see a second Eurmist. People think all animals live to see their babies grow up, but as we saw, that's not always the case. Can you name one other animal that dies after giving birth? I'll be pinned the first person to get a new one right.